Which security cameras are worth paying extra for? Only the ones aimed where you have to identify a face or a plate. For most commercial layouts, a standard camera is the right buy everywhere else. The skill isn't picking the best camera. It's spending extra only where it counts. Here's what you're choosing between. Installed per camera. A standard dome runs $700 to $900, a bullet up to $1,000, an AI camera $900 to $1,500, a PTZ $1,200 to $2,500, a multi-sensor $1,500 to $3,000, and by grade, basic, analytics, compliance. Resolution buys one thing: the ability to identify. For most commercial layouts, 2 megapixels covers general views, 4 reads a face up close, 8 only where you need detail at a distance. Features follow the same rule. AI analytics or facial recognition add $200 to $400. Night vision or a varifocal lens $50 to $150. Worth it only where you're identifying someone. So sort your positions into 2 piles. General coverage, parking lots, hallways, warehouse aisles. A standard camera does the job. Don't pay more. Identification points. The entrance, the register, the loading gate. That's where the resolution and features earn their keep. Where the $1,200 to $3,000 cameras belong. Buy the premium there and only there. So before you approve a quote, sort every position, coverage, or identification. Pay the premium only for identification. Want your exact number? Run the cost calculator on our pricing guide. Link below. Safe and Sound Security installs commercial and government security systems nationwide. More than 20,000 locations protected over 19 years.